friends, welcome to Vidjitech. This is Sai Prakash. Boom friends, here I came to Luminous Company Godown. In this video I would like to unbox Solar NXG 1800 inverter. This is for the solar friends. Okay, this is having volt ampere rating of 1500 volt amperes and double battery inverter friends. This is okay. Coming to here you can see sine wave. So output of this inverter is sine wave. Okay, here you can see the Sachin Tendulkar photo. He is the brand ambassador of Luminous Company. Here you can see 24 months warranty. Okay.
Friends, coming to the key features, built-in intelligence to maximize use of solar power. Inbuilt heavy-duty solar charger with maximum solar current of 40 amperes. Pure sine wave output for better performance and safety of connected loads. Configurable battery types and charging current selection. Supports up to 1000 watt solar panels. And here comes the protection friends. Short circuit, battery deep discharge, overload, over temperature. It will protect from these. Alarm. It will alarm whenever this takes place. Battery, low pre-alarm, battery low, overload, short circuit and false. Coming to the display indications, mains available, solar charging, grid charging, power saving, helpline number, eco mode, system on battery, low battery, overload.
Friends, here you can see the manufacturing date, month and year 14 February 2020. Here you can see the lot number, product name Solar UPS, model NXG 1800 by 24 volts. That means two batteries is connected in the series, each of 12 volts. That is double battery inverter friends. Voltage 230 volts and the frequencies of 50 Hz. Quantity one number. Only one product will be available in this box. Okay. Maximum retail price of 11,995. Manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the address of that manufacturing. For customer complaint, contact customer care executive at Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the contact number friends. If you have any queries or customer care, you can contact to the number over here. Friends, here you can see the Solar NXG 1800 inverter of Luminous Company. Now I am going to unbox. Friends, here you can see with the inverter you are going to get the warranty card. Okay, this will provide user manual. This is the top side of the inverter friends. Friends, here you can see the Solar NXG 1800 of Luminous Company inverter. This is mains on, solar charging, mains charging, power saver, eco mode, on battery, low battery, overload. Okay, this is the display indications friends. Here you can see the toll free number. This is power on button and power off button. Here you can see the main ons. Whenever you take the supply from mains, it is going to show. Solar charging. Whenever the battery is charging through the solar or current is from the solar, it is going to on. Mains charging. If the battery is charging through the mains, it is going to glow. Power saver. It is have power saving mode also. So whenever the power saving takes place, it's going to glow this LED. Eco mode. This is for the electrical appliances friends. Eco mode is for. On battery. Whenever the battery is on, it is going to glow. Low battery takes place, it is going to glow. Low battery. Overload. Whenever the overload takes place, it is going to glow. Coming to the back side of the inverter, over here you can see the output of this inverter, and this is the input of the inverter, 230 volts and the frequency of 50 hertz. Here you can see the mains fuse. Generally we have to replace fuse with the another fuse if it takes short circuit and blow out, but here you have to just press the fuse. Okay, this is the positive terminal of the battery and this is negative terminal of the battery. This is UPS mode or UCO mode. If you press 2 seconds, it is going to change the mode of this inverter. Here comes the battery type: tubular, flat tubular, GEL or VRLA. You have to open these screws to set the type. Okay na? Here you can see charging current, on, off, I charging. Okay, here you can see the heatsink, friends. This is going to control the temperature. Here you can see the solar panels. You have to connect the solar panels over here. Here you can see 1000 watts per 24 volts. So 2 battery inverter, plus minus PV. You have to connect in the perfect polarity. You can use this to homes, industries as well as companies and shops also. After knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you have any doubts regarding this product or if you want to buy this product, please call to the number on the screen, friends. 9966979707. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video, and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.